What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. So today we're going to go over really quick, it's really simple, really easy, how to replace your battery in your key fob remote. So these go out, it's 2022, and then we bought this in 2020. Sorry about that, a little tired. Anyways, yeah, so we bought this back in 2020, so the batteries lasted 2 years. So if your battery dies like ours and you have a push start, you're wondering, oh, what do I do to, fix it? So luckily with the key fobs, the battery will let you know it's getting low on your dashboard. So just change the battery once it starts getting low. Especially with this battery's been sitting out in the cold, so it's definitely toast now because we do Turo and stuff. So anyways, how to remove it and get going. So first thing you're going to do is press this little button here on the side, push it to the side, and then slide the key out. So from there, as you can see, that's where the key went. You're going to come over to this side with the little key ring. And then what I did is I just kind of put it in between the little crack and then kind of just pry it open. That's really all you do. Then you can kind of just, I guess I need to open it a little bit more. Be careful with when you're doing this. You don't want to damage the side or any of the plastic. And then right there's your battery. So then you kind of just pop it out from there. I'm going to come onto this side and pop it out. So that's really all you have to do. And there is the battery that you're going to need to replace it. You can buy these on Amazon, Walmart, anything like that. And then when you go to put it back in, make sure the numbers are facing down. And you're gonna have to come in at an angle, so kind of like that, as you can see. Sorry about that. Coming at an angle. So from this side, come in. Oh my gosh, so cold, it's sliding around. And then slide it in, just like that. So yeah, that's really all you have to do to replace this battery. Again, be careful. You don't want to damage anything. Like I said, any of that kind of stuff. So just be super careful when you're doing it and don't try to pry it too hard. All you really need is a flathead screwdriver. This is the size I can run it with, so you can kind of see it in the video. Nothing too thick or too thin to damage it, but yeah. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Thank you for watching 303 Streets. I hope you enjoyed this. Check the link if you want to buy one of those batteries online. But yeah, thank you for watching 303 Streets. Thank you and have a good day.